Ngayong araw, samahan nyo kami ni Shanta habang pupunta kami ng Mackay, Queensland.
Ikaw sa'yo na di magbabago.
We are going to Mackay, but first we're going to stop at Naji. Tama, Naji?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, Naji. So we can get Red Roosters and McDonald's or Mackay's. Can you say Mackay's?
Mackay's,
Yeah.
that's right.
Nayon ako ni kapag ka.
Did you hear that song on the radio? You know what song that is? Listen. It's Love You Before a Trio.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Welcome to Jijin.
I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend.
So mag-stop muna tayo dito sa isang driver reviver. Shanta, ihi ka na. Sige, ihi ka na. Ayun, yun yung CR mo. Dito sa amin, pag matagal ang biyahe mo, may mga stop sa sa tabi ng highway na tinatawag na driver reviver. So dito, pwede ka kakain, pwede ka mag-ihi, magtatae. Libre siya, walang bayad ang mga snack dito. Shanta, can you hear the crickets?
So, napansin ko din yung Australia.
Wow, she's vlogging. This is the driver reviver.
That way you going, mate?
What's that?
That way you going?
Going to Mackay.
Okay, we're from.
Sorry? Oh, from Brisbane.
Okay.
Yeah. That's right. Just grab some biscuits, eh? Yeah, good.
You'll be the only one I adore. I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you.
34 a.m. and we're in Mackay.
Nandito na tayo. Puyatan.
Yes, ilang hours yung drive?
Oh, 12 hours.
12-hour drive from Brisbane.
We came to Mackay dahil this is where Papa grew up, dito sa Mackay, Queensland. At marami kaming family dito. Let me introduce you to them. Ito ang mga pinsan ko na si Melinda and Claudia.
Hi.
They are twins. Kambal sila. Say, point her and say, kambal ko siya.
Kambosh.
Kambal ko siya.
Kambash.
Itra.
Kamba kusha.
Kambal ko siya.
Kambal kusha.
That'll do. So Melinda and Claudia are freaking karate experts.
Yes.
Right, diba? Sige na nga, sample.
I'll do a jumping frog kick. Right?
Alright.
We'll do it together. We'll do one together. Go.
Let's make a crappy Chinese karate movie. You wanna do it?
Sure.
Yo, want to fight me, do you?
So, you think you're in danger? Call Linda and Claudia now. 1-800, I kick your ass.
So this here is Uncle Sam, he's my dad's brother. Young mate. He's a fish maniac.
Fish man, brothers. Fish man. Go fishing, keep fish, do everything like that, so it's good.
So you saw Dad's fish tank, now we're gonna see Uncle Sam's fish tanks.
Dave, you know, his name's Boris.
Boris.
Boris the animal. Killed.
Welcome to the Mackay Aquarium. Hibiscus.
Red Dragon Cross. It's Thai silk.
Oh, she's dead. No way. What happened?
She was down, we were looking at her this morning.
Yeah, I know.
It was fine. She did it. Stupid fish. I'll feed that to that one. Why'd you die?
She's dead.
Who wants to eat it?
There's a cannibal fish.
Eat it. Come on.
Doesn't he eat them?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, there you go.
I'll have that. That tastes good.
This here is everyone's favorite auntie, Annie Carmen. Annie Carmen.
Don't put me on video.
You're exactly like Mum. She does exactly the same thing. Dito sa Mackay, marami ang pwedeng gagawin. You can go fishing. So here we are at Pioneer Creek. I'm hoping to catch a flatty, mate. Tingnan natin. You can have turtle races. Now this place is where we're going to spend New Year's Eve. It is New Year's Eve at nandito po kami ngayon sa Mackay.
Barbecue areas.
That's it.
Here we are at Uncle Sam's house. Let's go say hello to some of the family. Looks like they're chilling in the man cave just behind me here. That is the house, and that is the man cave. The ultimate man cave. Let's go check it out. How are we?
G'day.
Hello, baby. Shanta. Kaway ka dyan. That's Liam, your cousin. Hey, mate.
Awesome.
He's still single, by the way, so kung gusto mo ng boyfriend, siya na lang. Ayan. Electric guitars there in the corner behind me. Boom. We've got the PS4 in this room. We've got Warhammer on the shelf there. Pagkatapos ng New Year's Eve, pupunta kami ng Whitsundays. Yan ang pinakamagandang mga isla sa buong Australia. Abangan sa sunod na video namin.